Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Matthew
Hi.
Page. So that's my cousin. He's being really annoying right now. Well, anyways, I'm just basically just sitting in the room.
Would you rather me play Minecraft?
Sure, go ahead.
I'm not allowed to though.
Yeah, I know.
So I need to get your
It's such a.
So I better. Ooh, wait. I could be stupid.
My friend with this. Sorry, I'm like getting out of this. So I got this cool thing. I like this thing. So
Whatever.
what are you doing?
I'm leaving.
Why?
Maybe to your business. Or not here.
Whatever. So. No. So, I got a lot of comments, but nobody's really liking my videos that much. So please hit the subscribe button. Please hit the subscribe button. Really, hit the subscribe button. I have absolutely almost no subscribers already.
Who are you talking to?
I'm coming in here. Okay. So what are you doing? I know you have a Nerf gun.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do. I can hear it.
I don't have a Nerf gun though.
Yeah, you do. It's right there.
Okay, fine, I do.
So, I don't really have anything to do here. It's not really that fun.
Leave, you can't.
But we will be going to a birthday party, so I'm so excited. I don't
Plus,
know.
you get to annoy
Are we
Grayson.
going to be able to go outside again, maybe?
Yes.
Just not Connor.
Yeah, I actually don't know if we can go outside. We have to ask
Mom.
Or your dad.
Yeah, but Dad didn't know we already went outside.
What if? But, okay. Stop. Don't shoot me.
I'm not gonna.
Don't leave me in here
Why?
by myself, because when you were gone, I seen like two things staring at me. It was creepy.
Where?
In that corner. Like, come look. Come look. You can even see it.
I can? Where?
Look it.
That's the reflection off my doorknob.
No, it's not.
My closet doorknob?
It's not.
Yeah,
Why would
it
there
is.
be two? And it's not even close to your doorknob.
It's the reflection off of it. Look.
Oh. Well, anyways, I'm wrong, so thanks. But I'm still don't like being here by myself. It's
Okay.
creepy. Dance. What songs?
Hey.
Songs. Don't stop me now.
Don't stop me. Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot you if you don't listen.
That's weird. Don't.
I'm gonna shoot the off button.
No. Stop. Your brother's slipping. Sorry. It's getting distracted by these so much music, but I don't even know what to do.
Too many music, right?
Yes, you have like so many music that we're not even able to listen to.
Why? Do you not like my music?
No.
What?
No.
No, okay, let me listen to it then.
Why?
Because I got shot by my own Nerf bullet. Ricocheted.
What are you doing?
Give me my iPad.
Stop.
Give me my iPod. If you break it, I'm blaming it on you.
I'm not gonna break it. You're the one that's probably gonna break it.
I've survived a month without breaking that thing.
And there's a scratch right there. And a scratch right there. No, that's just grease off my hand. What? See, that still looks really creepy though. I know. It's like sitting there with like, guys, what did you take? Stop! Ow! Wait, don't we have the other tablet in here? I wanted to show them a video. Well,
The bruh. I'm stealing this.
fine, trade me. Oh my god. So this is the other tablet that we got.
I'm just gonna go.
So I'm going to like turn this on. I gotta put in this password.
Done. Notes.
Down there. So
What's that? Okay, so GDGDYY Chug 0.
listen to that. That sounds so cool.
Listen. Can I see? I want to see it.
Okay. I'm just like setting them up somewhere. So they can see it. Oh, there you guys go. It's like not so bright anymore. We're on the ground.
Okay.
So this is it. It sounds so cool, people. But I'm not gonna play that. Stupid. Ooh, Subway Surf. Ooh, Subway Surf. You guys should definitely download this game. It's like the best game in the world.
You know Subway Surf? What is Subway Surf?
Subway Surf.
Subway Surfer?
Yeah, I think so. Oh no, I have some more to do. Okay. So we got this cute little guy. It's so adorable. We got this from one of our fans. Her name is Allie Martin. So I really hope she liked these videos because I really don't have anybody else that likes them. I don't know. So while that game's downloading, me and him are going to show you something.
What?
So it's downloading. I'm weird.
No, stupid thing.
Run. Dang it, you got caught.
Can I try?
I never got to that.
Let me try.
No.
I am really
You
good.
get to play this game more than I do.
No, I don't.
You
I've only played it once.
So, I'm having so much fun.
Why not?
Well, you're gonna have fun on your birthday. You're lucky today's your birthday.
You can go on top of the train if you do that, by the way.
I don't know how to jump. Well, I go like that.
No, let me show you. Yes, swipe up.
Like that. Okay, you do it.
Let me see.
He's gonna play because he's better than me.
Watch this.
Can you go to my backpack?
Here's your backpack.
Wrong one.
Oh, that one? Okay. Got 80 points for that. Let me show you how it's done.
God, that hurts.
Watch.
Nobody really cares, buddy. Got my other filming camera. I'm just using it now because I'm gonna show you guys some slimes. So this is the first slime I'm falling over. This is the first slime. It's such a pretty slime. Oh, and it has like little smiley faces in it. You guys can't see it. It has like little smiley faces in it. See? There's little like smiley faces in it. It sounds so cool and so realistic. Because it is.
Who? He? Ha? He? Who? Ha? He?
So,
Ha? He?
next thing I got out of this bag, another slime. I can't even grab it, maybe. This is such a tiny slime. Whatever. It's such a tiny slime. I might get rid of this one. If you guys subscribe, I might get rid of this one. Like, listen to this. It's so cool. It's so tiny. They got the color wrong on this. I printed it out purple and it came out orange. Stupid. Next one. Such a pretty color. I might give this one away too. They're not really that good. This one smells like bananas. I mean vanilla. This one smells like vanilla. It smells so good. Seriously, smell this. It smells like vanilla.
I died.
It smells so good.
Guess what? I died.
I want to go again.
Have to continue. I got a new high score.
Stop.
2,000.
Run. And cut. Why'd you do that? Did you actually cut it? No, you didn't. You tricked me. Move. And